Hello guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, ang topic natin today is ano ba yung magandang remittance or paano ba magpadala ng pera from Canada to Philippines. Especially guys sa mga newcomers dyan na naghahanap or nagsisearch ng some ideas na pwede makatulong sa inyo. And of course, kung matagal ka na dito sa Canada, diba? Alam mo naman tayo mga Pilipino kung saan tayo mas makakamura or less than charges, dun tayo, diba? And usapang newcomers, for me, it is accessible, easy. Hindi mo na kailangan lumabas ng bahay or hindi mo na kailangan mag-book ng Uber or mag-grab ng taxi para lang magpadala ng pera sa Pilipinas, lalo na kapag sahod tayo. So today guys, I would like to share with you ano ba yung ginagamit namin, and for me, friendly user and napaka-accessible guys, and hindi rin ako nagsisisi at hindi rin ako nalalakihan sa mga charges or deduction in terms of service fee. So stay tuned guys, and I'll start step by step. So yun guys, open natin yung application ng CIBC sa cellphone, and then punta tayo sa button ng Global Money Transfer. And then, yan ang bubungad sa iyo. Send money international with no transfer fee. Guys, ang CIBC po ay walang bayad yung transfer fee or no service fee. So, amount to send, ako, in my side, chinecheck ko muna kung magkano yung palitan as of this moment. So, siselect mo lang yung Philippines para dun sa country na magre-receive. And then, ang minimum amount po na pwede nyo ipadala is $100. Yan po yung minimum. And then, ayan, right now is 41.85 ang palitan. So, magandang deal yan, guys. And then, sa bandang baba, makikita mo yung send money. So, kapag mag-send ka ng money, click mo na yan. Okay? And then, who are sending money to? So, sa recipient, guys, you have two options. Merong add new and merong edit. Sa edit recipient, guys, is kapag nagpadala na kayo before and may history or may changes dun sa details ng pagpapadalhan mo, yun, i-edit mo lang dyan. And then, please select the destination country for your money transfer. So, select mo yung Philippines. Okay? And then, yan. Kapag na-select mo yung Philippines, automatic po, Philippine peso na dun sa destination currency yung lalabas. And the next one, please select your money transfer method. So, in terms of transfer method, so we have a lot. Sa CIBC po, there's a lot of option. Nandiyan si GCash Wallet, si PayMaya Wallet, bank account, cash pick up, pwede ipipick up kay Palawan, LBC, Western Union, Cebuana, or BDO, or Villarica. Maraming option yan, guys. And the last one is Visa, Debit/Credit Card. Okay? So, let's go for GCash Wallet. So, pag click mo yung transfer method ng GCash Wallet, yan yung recipient details na kailangan mong pilapan. So, halos the same lang. First name, last name na magre-receive, ano yung address, city and town. Tapos, importante po yung wallet ID. Bine-verify po yan ni Bangko kung valid ba talaga yung wallet ID. Okay? So, another option is PayMaya Wallet. So, ganun din, same lang din. Recipient details, first name, last name, address, city, and wallet ID nung pagpapadalhan mo. Input mo lang yan dyan, guys. Okay? So, another thing is bank account. Pangatlo na yung option natin, guys. Sa recipient type, select mo yung bank account na papapadalhan mo, either business account or personal account. So, it doesn't matter kung anong account yun. Basta select mo yan dyan. Double check mo. And then first name, last name, address. And then ano po yung bank name, account holder name, account number, and bank code. Sa bank code, guys, pwede kayo mag-search lang sa Google. Makikita yung bank code ng BPI, Metrobank, other iba pang mga bangko. Okay? And then click mo na yung verify. So, the last one, Another thing pala is cash pickup. So, sa cash pickup, pwede din sa LBC, sa Palawan, Cebuana, Western Union, BDO, Villarica. So, madaming option dyan guys sa cash pickup. So, recipient type, again, meron personal and business account. And then, fill up mo lang yung mga first name, last name, city, and address. Okay? And then, click mo lang yung review. Ganon din sa Visa debit credit card. Another type din siya. May personal and business. And then number, account holder name. And then kailangan po dyan yung debit card or credit card number. And then i-click mo yung verify. Okay? So ganon po siya kadali guys. And napaka-friendly and napaka-easy po siyang i-follow step by step. Huwag po kayong malilito. So, kailangan lang i-fill up mo yung mga bagay na kailangan. So, yun lang guys. That's all for today guys. And thank you for watching. Bye for now. See you in the next vlog.